Welcome again to the Melling Law YouTube channel, where we talk about different estate planning topics relevant to residents of Utah. Today we're continuing our video series about things that might necessitate a change to your estate plan or some kind of update. Specifically today we're talking about the moving, and that could be you or a loved one, so we'll get into that a little bit. If you move, and whether that's to a new state or even to a new city within your within your same state, and sometimes even just to a new place within your city, whether that's moving in with family or moving into some kind of facility. These types of moves cause us to reevaluate our estate plan and who is in our estate plan. For example, if you are relocating to be closer to family, you might want the children that you're going to be living close to make certain decisions as far as your medical care is concerned. And you might even want them to have some kind of monitoring access or ability to be able to make sure your finances are above board if something were to happen to you. Likewise, the children in your, or really any loved ones in your life, as they move, you might want to reconsider your estate plan. For example, if you have something like, say, one of your children living nearby, making your healthcare decisions for you, and they move away, do you want someone who lives closer to you to be making those healthcare decisions, since they will be the ones there, or not? These are really things to think about. They don't necessarily require a change in all cases, but they can. Finally, we're looking at ways to protect our loved ones from any kind of allegation or perception of wrongdoing. So if you're moving into a home with your children, don't necessarily make that child that you're living with the healthcare appointee and the power of attorney and the trustee, because there could be a chance that one of the siblings could see that as some kind of manipulation and try to get things tied up in court. And that's the last thing we want. So if you're moving in with one of your children, you may want to consider something like some kind of co-trustee arrangement, or maybe having a professional to supervise, whatever that may be, just someone to kind of a way to make sure that there are other people involved in your estate plan other than the person you're living with, just in case, because you don't want them to have any kind of allegations against them that aren't really substantiated. And you can mitigate that possibility by bringing other people into those crucial roles in your estate plan. So thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about whether a move for you or a move of a loved one is going to impact your estate plan, feel free to give us a call at any time.